Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever seen a blue line or blue strip on a medicine strip or box and wondered what it actually means? Is it related to dosage, strength, or something else? Today, let's clearly understand what the blue line on medicines means and why it is important. What is the blue line on medicines? The blue line or blue marking on medicine packaging is commonly used to indicate that the medicine is a prescription-only drug. This means, the medicine should be taken only with a doctor's prescription. It is not meant for self-medication, it requires medical supervision. Why is the blue line used? The blue line acts as a visual warning for patients, pharmacists, healthcare workers. It helps quickly identify that the medicine may have strong effects, can cause side effects or interactions, should be used only for a specific medical condition. Is the blue line a legal rule? Important fact: the blue line itself is not a universal legal standard like a barcode. However, in countries like India, blue lines are widely used to indicate Schedule H and H1 drugs. These drugs legally require a prescription. Pharmacists should not sell them without a valid prescription. Examples of medicines with blue line: many common prescription medicines carry a blue line, such as antibiotics, blood pressure medicines, diabetes medicines, psychiatric and hormonal drugs. This helps prevent antibiotic resistance, drug misuse, serious health complications. Common myths about the blue line. Myth: blue line means the medicine is very dangerous. Fact: it means the medicine needs professional guidance. Myth: blue line means higher dose. Fact: dose depends on prescription, not the line. Summary: the blue line on medicines is a simple but powerful safety indicator. It reminds us that not all medicines are safe to take without medical advice. If you found this explanation helpful, like the video, subscribe for more pharma healthcare knowledge.